Hey guys, today we're doing a CVT transmission fluid change for 2011 Honda CRZ. First, we're going to jack up the car. The CRZ is a little bit hard to jack from the front because the front bumper is so low, so I followed the guide on the CRZ forum to jack up the car. The front jack point is between the two front wheels. The rear jack point is the tow hook. Make sure the car is level and put jackstands onto the jack points as shown here. Pull the hood release lever. Lift up the hood and support it with a hood prop rod. Under the car, there is a plastic cover. We will need to remove 4 screws. You can use a Phillips or a flathead screwdriver, but here I use a drill to speed it up. Unscrew the CVT access panel. There are 4 screws. After those are removed, coming in from the front of the car, it should look like this. Remove the CVT dipstick. Use a 3/8 ratchet to remove the drain bolt. I had to use a pipe to give me a little bit more torque because I couldn't remove it with just a ratchet alone. Position the drain pan to try and avoid spilling. Use a clean paper towel or rag, wipe off the metal shavings from the drain bolt, then replace it with a new washer. Replace the drain bolt and then tighten it with a 3/8 ratchet, then clean up the area with a rag or a paper towel. Remove the CVT dipstick again and then insert the transmission funnel. Fill with 3 quarts of Honda CVT fluid. Do not confuse them with the Honda HCF2, they are not the same. The fluid for the CRZ should be slightly red in color. Remove the funnel, then check the fluid level with the dipstick. Start the car and shift through each of the gears 3 times to let the fluid run through the transmission. Reinstall the CVT access panel. Reinstall the main plastic cover. Lower the car. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.